Hey, what's up, guys? We pulled up to El Valle Auto Parts. We're about to pick up an LS for our personal shop truck. And we just pulled up. Let's go see what this guy has in stock for us. First, we're gonna ask him if it's cool if he can record. Alright? Anybody home? Ahí te va. Luis, oiga, ¿está Luis? No, I guess the owner Luis thinks here. I guess Luis is over there. So yeah, guys, you need GM parts. Hit up this guy up. El Valle Auto Parts. Pretty good. I came to pick up the couple things I needed and then see which motor I'm going to take. If I do, you take twice.
That 6.0 on, bro. You want to hear it. Ese se puede prender 160 miles.
Okay.
I think you can turn it on right there.
Is the key on in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
9902.
Okay. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna go with the 5.3 or the 6.2. But I guess he has the 6.0 in there, so we're gonna see. This one, right?
Yeah, bro. Now I'll get the jumper and then.
What happened? Yeah. This might be it, guys. I was debating if I should go with the 5.3 or the 6.0 for the daily truck, but I like to go big or go home, so we're gonna go with the fucking 6.0. Alrighty, lads. So we're gonna go with this. I'm marking the things that we need to save, because the things that we need to save are the things that we need. Yeah, feel me? You feel me, lads? I told Luis if he can give me the things that I need, and I'll take it. Oh no, but that hose is fucked. So never mind. God damn it, lad. Never mind, lad.
Yeah, guys, este hombre. Mejor le hubieras dicho, just fucking get all the fucking things on there. You don't even have to fucking mark them and then take them off over there at the shop. You're fucking doing extra work. Just be like, I want everything.
Lad. Wait a minute. This comes with the.
Oh, fucking great. What?
This comes with a fucking different brake system. That means it's gonna be a.
You're shit out of luck, buddy.
I forgot this comes with the hydro booster.
Oh, so all I hear is money, 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 money.
Money, 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 money.
But then I can change it. I can change the power steering. This is crazy, my friend. So we're gonna get this thing paid for today, and they're gonna have it done ready. I don't know when.
Ready by when?
I have no idea.
Yeah, from here to then to arrepentirte.
Well, no, because I'm already gonna pay for it. So.
Doesn't that suck?
And then, like I said, guys, we also came for some little things. I need a clip. And I need a window motor regulator.
Gross.
Where are they at?
The clips
Hold
you
up.
said that were on the truck.
Oiga, ¿cuáles son los besos del 99 a 2002?
Fucking me no sabo said Bezos.
Yo los identifico por el color.
Porque la otra vez el que me llevé era del 2006. Verlo. Ahorita me voy a
Es
llevar.
que dicen muchos que por el doble DIV.
No, el que yo tengo está un poquito más grande.
Entonces podemos cargarlo con el control del AC. Lo veo igual, pero no queda, miren esto. Está para la letra de off,
Sí.
tampoco es. Pero ocupas un color específico, ¿verdad? ¿O tú lo vas a quitar?
Uno como esta. O tan siquiera como el gris. Se mira el mismo.
Sí, pero el del 99 es como más azulado, así como es. Y el del 3 a 6 es más, este va a ser. Pero este no es doble D, pero este va a ser. ¿Ves?
Sí.
¿Ves cómo queda?
Ok.
Pero este no es doble D. Entonces tiene que recortarle, ¿no? Aquí. Es lo que no quieres, ¿verdad?
No, eso la verdad eso no importa.
¿No?
No, porque las pantallas están grandes. Es como de construir una pantalla tan grande de todos modos. Nada más que lo que quería era que quedara aquí. Que me llevé, había un espacio grande aquí. Son los ganchitos que
Yo te lo había dado otra vez, ¿verdad?
sí, pero no tenían los ganchitos.
Los dos de frente.
Sí, nomás ocupo dos ganchitos. Porque uno sí tenía y el otro no tenía.
¿De qué lado? ¿No sabes?
Del conductor.
¿Conductor?
Sí. Como ocupo esto.
Sí, es que se nos va la mano con el taladro que estamos.
Y se cae, ¿verdad?
Pues un lado nada más.
Un lado, pero los dos.
The next day.
What's up, guys? This is day 2 at El Valle Auto Parts. We came to finally pick up the 6.0. Yesterday we just paid for it and they had to pull it out. So today we're actually picking it up. I came to drop off his bezel as well. So let's go see where these guys are at. Un poquito.
Ok, la palanca del medio la haces para abajo. No power. Oh, and the compressor good.
Aren't you one happy camper?
6.0 power.
What's up, guys? So we just unloaded the 6.0 liter. We're about to put this on a engine stand and start ripping it all apart and start ordering some goodies. This is gonna be good.